Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 ways you can earn real money from your Telegram channel, even if you're just getting started or already growing a loyal audience. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your Telegram passion into a reliable income stream, using proven strategies that work in 2021 and beyond. Let's dive straight in, and I'll guide you through each method step by step. The first and arguably the most popular way to monetize your Telegram channel is through advertising and sponsored content. Think of it as renting out space in your channel for other businesses and channels to reach your audience. Once you cross about 1,000 active subscribers, which is usually the sweet spot, brands start to notice and may approach you to feature their product in a post, or you can reach out to them yourself. Don't rush this part. Building an engaged audience takes time, but it's absolutely worth it. If you qualify, you can also tap into Telegram's official ad platform, which lets you earn a 50% share of ad revenue for promotions shown to your viewers. It's quite similar to advertising on YouTube or Instagram, but here you maintain more control over which brands you feature. And remember, only promote ads that truly match your channel's vibe and values, because your followers' trust is more valuable than any quick deal. Next up, let's talk about premium subscriptions and exclusive content. If you've built an audience that really connects with your material, maybe you share deep insights, expert tips, or even trading signals, you can offer a paid, members-only channel for your most dedicated followers. Usually, you start everyone off in a free public channel so people get a taste of the value you provide. Then you introduce your private VIP group, which delivers the best stuff. Detailed tutorials, live support, or insider information. The key here is making sure your exclusive content truly helps or entertains, otherwise people won't feel it's worth the price. To make payments easy, bots like InviteMember or TG Membership can automate subscriptions and manage access for you, which means less time spent on admin and more time making great content for your paying members. Affiliate marketing is the third big strategy. It's a bit like earning a thank you commission for recommending products or services that suit your channel's niche. Let's say your Telegram is focused on tech gear, you could share affiliate links for gadgets, apps, or online courses. Whenever someone clicks and buys after using your link, you get a slice of the sale, sometimes a few percent, sometimes more. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank make it easy to find products to promote, especially in areas like finance, education, or technology. Just make sure you're always transparent with your audience about affiliate links. Honesty will help you maintain trust in long-term relationships. Then there's selling your own products or services directly. Telegram makes it surprisingly personal. If you create ebooks, handmade crafts, templates, or offer coaching or freelance help, you can share them straight in your channel. The private chat feature allows you to answer questions, build rapport, and close sales without paying fees to middlemen. For example, a fitness coach might sell customized workout plans, or a graphic designer could offer unique visual templates. It's a great way to turn your skills into real income, and the trust you build in your channel makes people far more likely to buy. Lastly, don't overlook donations and crowdfunding, especially if your channel provides consistent value, entertainment, or education. People like to support creators they appreciate. You can set up platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi to allow for one-off tips or regular support from your audience. Whenever you ask for donations, be clear and transparent about how the funds help your work. Maybe they pay for new equipment, better content, or let you spend more time helping your viewers. This openness encourages your loyal followers to chip in, and over time, even a small base of regular supporters can make a big difference. So there you have it, 5 powerful ways to make money from your Telegram channel. Whether your audience is big or still growing, there's a method to suit every type of creator. If you found these tips helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have questions or want to share your experience. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials on growing and monetizing your online presence. See you in the next video.